All right, in this video, we're gonna upload all of our sprites, make sure we have the right background, and we're gonna program the first bit of functionality where we want the sprite, our bear, to move with the arrow keys on our keyboard. So first we're gonna start importing. We're gonna import the apple, we're gonna import the watermelon. All right, and we're gonna have these hidden for now. We can make them a little bit smaller, so maybe let's go with 75. And watermelon should be fine, actually. We can just leave it at B. And we're going to hide both of these for now. All right, so make sure they're both hidden so you don't see anything. And then we're going to upload the bear. So go ahead and use the downloadable file that we had in the course. And just bring in the bear. Again, we need to make him smaller. So let's try 30. Maybe a little bit larger than that. So let's try 40. Maybe 50. All right. Yeah, 50 should be good. Okay, we're just gonna leave it be as 50, and we're gonna leave this showing. Okay, so again, these two are both hidden. The bear is showing for now. And the backdrop, we're just gonna go over here, and we're gonna choose jungle. So you can just search for it. There it is, the jungle, and there we have it. All right, so the bear in the jungle, maybe we can make the bear a little bit smaller. Let's try 45. There we go. Okay, so we have the bear in the jungle, and we're going to have the apple and the watermelon falling from the sky in the next couple of videos. But for now, we're going to put some functionality on the bear so that he can move around as we press the arrow keys. So again, we're going to start with just the flag being pressed, nothing crazy. Again, we're going to make sure that we centralize them to start with. Because again, when we move him around, we might end up with him like at a corner or something at the end of a program. We want to make sure every time we run it, he's in the middle. So we just go to this easy command right here, go to X and Y. So we're just gonna centralize the bear. We're gonna put him at 0x, and let's see what will be a good height. Let's try -90. That seems good. Okay, so we're just gonna go to 0 and -90 for the bear. All right, so every time the program starts, he starts right here. All right, and now we're gonna go on a forever loop so that this keeps getting checked forever. We wanna always check if the buttons are being pressed or not, and then we're gonna go for an if loop. Okay, so we're gonna check to see if the right arrow key is being pressed or the left arrow key, and we're checking this forever so that anytime the program is running, we are looking out for the keys being pressed. So we say if the right key is pressed and if the left key is pressed. All right, and we say if the right key is pressed, then we move the X and we change it by a positive number. So let's go over here and change X by 10. We can just try 10 and see how much it is. If it's not as much as we want, we can adjust it. And for the left arrow key, we're going to change it by -10. So we're just going to make that -10. All right. Now let's go ahead and try it and see if the movement is what we like to see. So now if I press the right key, yeah, that's a good movement. So we can just leave it be. It's 10 and -10. We see as I press the right key, it goes to the right. And as I press the left key, it goes to the left. And just make sure that you don't confuse the numbers, right? Make sure that for the right arrow, it's a positive number. Because remember, the positive X is on the right side of the screen. And for the left arrow, we change it by a negative number because the left side of the screen is the negative numbers. All right, so make sure you have that set up and just try it, make sure it works, and I'll see you in the next video.